Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to use the bulk editor tool. So this is a new feature that Heartland just came out with just a few short months ago, and I really like it. It's one of the greatest tools they've ever come out with, in my opinion. So to get there, you have to go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us, and then hit the menu icon here at the top, and then go to Account Menu. Go to Account Menu, it's going to be all the way on the bottom left. Oops, bulk editor tool. When you go here, you're going to have record type option. When you click this drop down, these are all the things that you can bulk edit. I'm not going to go over all of them in one video. I'm going to separate this some in case you don't care about the rest of it. So first, we'll start on items. And this allows you to bulk edit everything here. If you want to change the names of multiple items, you can do it all in one location. If you want to change the price, like let's say you're revamping your whole menu and you need to up the price, 5 cents or 10 cents, whatever, 25 cents. You can do that here in bulk. If you don't have cost in here and you want to add your cost information, you can do that here or update your cost information. Because otherwise you're having to go into each individual item. Without this bulk editor tool, you're having to go in each individual item and editing all this stuff. And that can become a lot, especially if you have a bunch of items and you can lose your place really easily. This way just makes it so easy. You can add SKU numbers, you can make things, you can change the tax information on it. And then non-revenue, you can check those boxes, you can delete here. You can add new. Now there is on items, there is this little menu button here that you almost miss if you aren't looking for it. You click that and this is all the extra stuff that you can add on here. Like if I want to change report categories, and I can click report categories here and it will give me a section for report categories. So you can check as much of this stuff as you want. And edit everything all right here as far as items go. So I hope that helps you as much as it helps me. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.